By the end of this video, you will know how to set up Xero automatic invoicing. Start in Xero and go to the Sales menu. From there, open Repeating Invoices, then click New Repeating Invoice. This opens the form where you set up an invoice that Xero will create for you on a schedule. In the section labeled Repeat this transaction every, enter how often the invoice should repeat. For example, you can set it to 1 month if the invoice needs to go out monthly. Then select the invoice date. After that, set the due date. You can do this by choosing a specific day or by using payment terms, depending on how you want the customer due date to be calculated. If this recurring invoice should stop after a certain point, you can also enter an end date. If not, leave that field as it is. Next, choose the status for the invoices Xero will generate. If you select Save as Draft, each new invoice will be created as a draft and can be reviewed before it is sent. If you select Approve, Xero will automatically approve each invoice when it is created. If you select Approve for sending, Xero will approve the invoice and email it to the customer automatically. Make sure you choose the option that matches how much review you want before each invoice goes out. Now move to the customer details. In the Invoice to field, select the customer for this repeating invoice. If you need to include an internal note or identifier, enter a reference in the reference field. Then choose the branding theme you want to apply to the invoice. If you want the customer to pay online, configure online payments here as well. After that, add the invoice items. For each line item, enter the item if you use saved items in Xero, then complete the description, quantity, and unit price. If a discount applies, enter that too. You will also need to select the correct account and tax rate for each line. If your organization uses tracking categories, assign those where needed. Take a moment here to make sure each field reflects what should appear every time the invoice is generated. Once the line items are in place, review the totals at the bottom of the invoice. Check the subtotal, tax, currency, and total amount. This is the point to confirm that the recurring invoice is set up the way you want before it begins creating future invoices. When everything looks correct, click Save at the bottom of the page. Xero will then use the schedule you configured to create future invoices automatically. Your repeating invoice is now saved in Xero and set to generate future invoices on the schedule you selected.